I'm evil Batgirl.
And I'm Evil Batman. And today, we're gonna blow up those kid heroes for good.
One day, at the police station.
It's time to transport the prisoners.
I haven't even had a phone call. I haven't seen my judge.
You've been sentenced for 10 years of hard labor. You'll be old when you come out of prison. You guys will never escape.
Later,
Oh, God, has it been 10 years yet? This is terrible. This is so boring. I don't even have a TV in here.
Ya vamos a ir a comer lonche. What? I meant, let's go have lunch. Okay.
Oh my gosh, they're gone. Now's our chance. How are we gonna get out of here? We need an accomplice on the outside.
Well, I do have my communication device. Let me check my contacts really quick and see.
I'm gonna use your communication device to call Batgirl and see if she'll break us out.
Well, she might want to break me out. I don't know if she like you so much.
Batgirl. Yes. Yes, it's Evil Batman. We met yesterday. What do you mean you don't remember me? We're in the county jail. The kid heroes are at lunch. Can you come break us out?
To the Kid Heroes Station. We captured the evil superheroes. Which ones do you capture? We captured evil Iron Man and evil Batman. And we lost them in prison and they're never getting out.
Batgirl, you're finally here. Will you please break us out of jail?
Silly boy. Okay, boys, just hold on to me.
How did you do that? How did you get in here?
Magic.
All right. Oh my gosh, you're amazing. Let's get out of here. Oh, that was so awesome that you broke us out of jail. Let's go to the evil hideout and make a plan to get those kid heroes back.
Kid Hero, prison guards, come in. Where are you guys? We need you watching after evil Iron Man and evil Batman in prison.
This is really chat. Can I turn this all down? Okay, guys, let's drive to the prison.
Hurry. There isn't much time.
Where are they? Where are they? They disappeared. Kaylee, I know who did it. Who? Evil Batgirl. No way. I knew she was trouble. The evil Batgirl. We gotta go get them.
I can't believe those kid heroes captured us again. It's unbelievable. Thank God Batgirl was here to break us out. We need to do something to put those kid heroes out of business permanently. We could buy them tickets to go on vacation and send them somewhere really nice.
That's a stupid idea. How about we put dynamite in the police station? Let's blow them off.
That sounds like a good plan. Sweet plan! Alright, now's our chance. What I need you to do, take the bomb and plant it inside of the Kid Hero station. I'll tell you when the coast is clear. Okay, go, go, go! Okay, now we need to go to a safe distance so we can detonate this. Follow me!
Kid Heroes is the supervillains. They're plotting revenge on the Kid Hero station. You've got to go stop them. Hurry. There isn't much time.
Who put this here? It looks like a bomb. I bet the evil villains put it here. We'll teach them a lesson. Look, there we are. Let's go put the dynamite behind them.
All right, here goes their fort. Ha 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 ha! What happened? I feel like our plan. Oh my goodness, it's the Kid Heroes. Are we under arrest again?
Let's take them to jail, everybody. Go. Keep Tim.
What did we do this time? Thankfully, Iron Man is not captured as well. So you guys will have to try to capture him next.
We're the Kid Heroes.
Ma! My iPhone cable! Where is it?
Isn't it that one on the table?
No! The one for the iPhone 6! Sammy! Will your mom let you come out to play?